Hey guys, welcome to the video. We actually have an air duster in this video. Now this is going to dust off any air. What it is basically the opposite of a vacuum, and it just like pushes air out instead of taking it into a reservoir. And this definitely helps in multiple applications, including cleaning. So I'll show you how all of that works in a minute. Let me just get these out. So we have a user manual if you're wondering about anything. Some of the application is showing on the box here inside of a car, computer, keyboard. Ooh, computer, I kind of need to clean that. Keyboard, sofa, air conditioner, windowsill. So yeah, I mean, you could get into like, you know, cracks of things and like dust the air out. Pretty cool. So let's actually go ahead and see what we got. Except for the user manual, we got a bunch of nozzles. So this one is pretty typical. We see this in, you know, with every vacuum that we get. Here it looks like some sort of a coupler or like a reducer. Then we have one with a brush, and then we've got one with like a weird thing here, top here. This is what it looks like. And then we've got another one that looks like this, pointed. And then I already showed you guys this, so let me see what this is for. Oh, this is for the big one here, so it just like couples on and then like it becomes the same size as the other. So yeah, that's cool stuff. And the device itself, we actually got a pretty long USB-C cable to charge this thing, which is pretty nice. There you go. So let me see how long this is. That's pretty good, you know, pretty good amount for a charger. And then we've got the device itself wrapped in plastic. And then we've also got this trigger thing, so it doesn't like get pressed by accident. Which, okay, I guess we don't have a battery right now, so we can't really use this. So yeah, we'll be back after we charge this, but let me just show you how this actually works. So we've got a pretty big vent on the back, and then we've got the charging thing also on the back. So we would just take our USB-C that's provided to us and then plug this thing to something else, and then that'll charge. There's only one trigger, so no safety button or anything that you have to worry about. It's just a blower. I don't think it matters that much. So yeah, and this is the nozzle. This is where it's gonna shoot the air out of. I'm just gonna put one on and show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. So I'll just leave it on charge and then get back to you guys when this is done. One thing we completely missed on the last video is that we did not read the thing here, the sticker here. So to turn this on, it just doesn't work like that. Okay, now it is, but it didn't work like that before. But it says press power button 3 seconds to turn on the product. So I feel like, you know, if it's like, you know, in sleep for too long, you probably got to do that. Okay, yeah, see? So you got to hold it for 3 seconds and it turns on. Okay, that's pretty powerful. That just blew away everything that's on the table. Now this is a little bit heavier. Okay. Let me actually get something heavy. Like this power bank. A power bank is gonna be definitely heavy. Okay, that's not bad. Honestly, wow, that's cool. I did not expect that much power from this thing, but it's pretty good. It's definitely gonna clean out, like, you know, keyboards and things like that. It's powerful enough to, you know, put a divot on my skin, so it's definitely gonna do the job if it gotta, you know, dust out a few things. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.